In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Sheets. This is a powerful and easy-to-use tool that helps you organize data, perform calculations, and collaborate with others in real time, all within your web browser. To begin, open your browser and go to Google Sheets. You can access it through your Google account. Once you're there, click on the option to create a new blank spreadsheet. This will open a fresh sheet where you can start working immediately. You will notice a grid made up of rows and columns. Each box in the grid is called a cell, and this is where you can enter your data. Click on any cell and start typing to add text, numbers, or dates. Press Enter to move down to the next cell, or use the arrow keys to navigate in different directions. At the top of the screen, you'll see the toolbar. This contains various tools that allow you to format your data. You can change the font, adjust text size, apply bold or italics, and even change the color of your text or cells to make your spreadsheet easier to read. If you want to perform calculations, you can use formulas. Click on a cell and type an equal sign followed by your formula. For example, you can add numbers by typing equals sum, then selecting the range of cells you want to calculate. Google Sheets will automatically display the result. You can also resize columns and rows by clicking and dragging their borders. This helps ensure your content fits neatly within each cell. If you need to organize your data, you can sort or filter it using the Data menu at the top. Another useful feature is sharing. Click the Share button in the top right corner, then enter the email addresses of the people you want to collaborate with. You can control whether they can view, comment, or edit the document. Finally, remember that Google Sheets saves your work automatically, so you don't have to worry about losing your progress. And that's it. You now have a basic understanding of how to use Google Sheets and start creating your own spreadsheets with ease. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.